Hello, welcome to the channel, it's Mangothao. Okay, today's video is going to be my first impression on the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. This retails for $28 at your local Sephora or Ulta. I got mine at Sephora. I finally bit the bullet and went and purchased it because I want to plump my lips. The reason why I went and got this lip plumping serum or lip gloss is because my top lips, whenever I smile, my top lips goes really tiny and small and it's not really visible. So that's why I want to try out this to see if it will make my top lip fuller when I smile, because my skin stretches out. Like for right now, my lips look really full, but then when I smile, it goes really tiny. So that's why I bought this product to try out. So yeah, Too Faced always has the cutest packaging. This is how it looks like. Just a glass vial with a gold lid. And I don't have anything on my lips for now. So, yes. There is a scent to it and it smells like candy. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Oof. I can feel the tingling on my lips right now. So I'm going to give it 10 minutes and see how it looks like after 10 minutes. So.
And I can't sweep you off of your feet. Will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheek? And darling, I will be loving you till 17. And baby, my heart is still full of hard 20. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just a touch of the hand. We are more in love with you every single day. And I just wanna tell you I am. So hurry now. Take me into your loving arms. Kiss me until the love is down to front. Place your hand on my sweet heart. I'm thinking now, maybe we both love right where we are. Kiss me until the love is down to front. Place your hand on my sweet heart. I'm thinking now, maybe we both love right where we are. To the left, to the left. To the left, to the left. To the left, to the left. Everything you want in the back to the left. In the closet, with the gas mask, yes, yes, I got it. Please don't touch, don't touch. You must not know about me. Well, it's something that can make you think that every place I go, you're gonna get it down, call it the chicken fish you call. Oops, I said it, I didn't even know. I was playing you off though, cause you wasn't true. Rolling around in a car that I bought you. Baby, drop them keys, hurry up before you text me. Standing in the front yard, telling me how I'm such a fool. Talking about I'm never gonna find a man like you. You got me to say, you must not know about me. You must not know about me. Baby. I love you.
Okay, I'm back for my 10-minute singing section. I don't see a dramatic change or anything, but I do see that my lip is more plump than before. And when I smile, I could tell that my top lip is a little bit more fuller and you could see it more visible. But for this product, it is pretty good at plumping your lips, and my lips originally are pretty plump already, but it just made it a bit more plumper. So yeah. I'm just gonna keep on trying this product out. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Mangothao. Okay, today's video is gonna be... Fucking bitch. Text me when I'm fucking recording a fucking video. Ugh. So, this is how the packaging looks like.